That thing got up. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today, man. Y'all see I'm sweating. I've been in here wiping this CVO down, man. I forgot I freaking rode through the rain and all that stuff, man. So this thing has spots all over it. Meanwhile, man, I can't wait to hop on this thing, man. If you guys are just now tuning in for the first time, man, make sure you like the video. Make sure you comment where you from, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, man. I definitely appreciate that, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win our 2020 Road Glide with the strawberry lemon drop effect and the whole built 124 on that joint, man, now is your time to enter, man. Everything on the website is $50. Anything you purchase on the website will gain you entry into win that thing, man. So I can't wait. We are going live real soon, man. So stay tuned for that. Meanwhile, today it's time to hop on this CVO and see if it's actually fixed. So you guys know we picked up our CVO down in Miami, took it to Phoenix, rode it around a little bit, and then right before we were set to race, the thing messed up. It just didn't go in gear, none of the above, man. So I loaded it back up, came back home, took it to my buddy. My buddy said the clutches were freaking done. You guys seen that on the video yesterday, man. The clutches were super whooped, but we got those things changed out. And then furthermore, man, we got the bike back going and back running, man. So today I'm about to hop on that thing, take a little ride with y'all. Not only that, man, get some test hits, get some stall ups, and just see how we can learn how to take off on this thing, because I'm still practicing on this bike, let alone still trying to race it, man. So we're gonna see what's up. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate that, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, y'all know what to do. Head on over to everythingregular.com right now. We are still waiting on our paint set for our Road Glide special. Unfortunately, Antonio, I need you out here in Houston, because these Houston painters are just not cutting it, man. It's not cutting it for me. But furthermore, man, I can't wait. We about to get this show on the road. I don't want to hold you guys too long. I actually want to hop right on this thing and get in the wind and see what we can do, man. Let's see what we got here. Yes, sir. We backsliding. We backsliding on that CVO, man. So y'all know our clutches was like super burnt up, but we are back in action. And this guy right here act like he don't see nobody. He act like he don't see nobody. I see you staring at me in your rear view. Come on. You out here in front of me. Oh my God. I'm dealing with idiots here today. Sir, good E85 now. I know I can't go too far because not every gas station over here got E85, but it looked like we got a good, dang, I only rode 147 miles before I had to fix this thing. That's crazy. We got about a good 100 miles. I would say about a good 50 of those we actually got. You guys know how this thing is. And pretty much at every like red light, we're gonna practice our 60 foot. So we just gonna practice, make sure no police behind us. If it is, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Gotta leave off a little bit higher in the RPMs. Gotta leave off a little bit higher in the RPMs, but we're gonna practice it on the back street, see if we can get some stuff going. As soon as I get to find a nice little back street, if this guy would go. That's how you gotta do it sometimes, because some people are like idiots, bro. How do you have all this space and you're literally going like freaking 10 miles an hour, bro? Insane to me. I can tell you that this E85 smells really lovely though. It smells like flowers. Smells like flowers. As soon as we find that straightaway, we should be all right. Was it that one? We probably could have took that one. Could have took that one. I'm gonna take this next one though. Should be able to get some nice straightaway action coming pretty soon. Let's see what we got, y'all. We got some. I don't really want to hold up traffic, but stop sign ahead. This is the one I missed last time. See if we can get a good a nice little good pass on this one. We might be able to get a good pass on this one. Let's let them go first. Man, that ain't gonna work. Oh, because I was in second gear. This thing didn't want to go back down to first. Oh, that thing get faster and faster. I ain't gonna lie to you. That thing get faster and faster, boy. Wait till I learn how to take off on this thing. Wait till I learn how to take off on this bike. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's gonna be a fun little bike. Wait till I learn how to take off on this thing, man. See what's going on. They got a nice house. They got a nicer house back there. Dang, nice. 3, 2, 1. All right, let's see if we can get down right here. See, you don't want it to you don't want it to spin. That was a cool little takeoff, but I feel like we can just get done a little better. That's a nice little house. Woo! That thing got up. That thing got up quick. I ain't gonna lie to you. Got up quick. Still burning rubber. Still burning rubber. Still burning rubber, y'all. I probably gotta let some air out the back of this tire. Gotta let a little bit of air out, but trying to get some a good pair. Oh, this is a nice little street, I ain't gonna lie to you.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Everything busted. That thing took off that time, I ain't gonna lie.
Take some air out, this motherfucker keeps spinning.
We doing wheelies.
Yeah, I'm hitting wheelies. I'm hitting wheelies. Let's go. School zone, I gotta keep it easy. It's a school zone, I gotta keep it easy. Hold on. Launch this thing. We're gonna try to get a good launch. Y'all stay tuned.
Let me let it cool down a little bit. We got a few seconds before we take this hit. Let's see.
That motherfucker feel nice. That motherfucker feel good. I'm still spinning a little bit. I'm still spinning. I gotta take a little bit of air pressure out the back. I'm still spinning a little bit. Hold on. Yep. Yep.
Let's go. Yep, let's do it. I ain't gonna lie, this thing feeling A1.